यार बचपन में स्पोर्ट्स शॉप जाने का जो मजा था ना दोस्त, उसका कोई मुकाबला ही नहीं है। और आज जिस स्पोर्ट्स शॉप में मैं जा रहा हूं वो कोई ऐसी वैसी स्पोर्ट्स शॉप नहीं है। इट्स इंडियाज फर्स्ट एवर स्पोर्ट्स शॉप, 150 years ओल्ड। वागले अंकल की दुकान। हेलो अंकल।
Hi.
हेलो।
Oh, so happy to meet you.
I'm so happy to meet you, uncle. How are you?
Very good, very good.
Wagle ji, here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the oldest sports shop in the history of India, the first sports shop. Manohar Wagle ji, Wagle ji.
And
ये वो है ना अंकल, वो
मूंग दाल कहते हैं हम.
ये वाला.
Yeah.
Nice. This
That is a mashal.
Oh,
It's a Olympic torch, as you might
the
say.
Olympic torch.
Olympic torch.
Wow.
The catapult. You'll never see a catapult in most sports shops.
गुलेल.
Ah, Gulel.
ये
but,
गुल-
but Gulel, professional Gulel.
Professional गुलेल. ओए यार. This is legend.
Yes.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? अरे रे स्पोर्ट्स शॉप में लेजिम वो. वाओ. ये दिस इज द आर्चरी.
Archery stuff.
वाओ.
This is a graphite arrow.
अंकल जन्नत.
You want? This is cricket.
जन्नत. ओए होए. These are tennis ball bats?
Yeah, these are all tennis ball
And
bats.
these are season bats.
Yeah, season bats. English willow.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, shop for history and boomerang at India's first sports shop. Please tell me more about this, more about the history of the first sports shop.
You know, my great-grandfather had a perfumery store on the road from Metro to Crawford Market. And in those days, the Britishers used to barrack their troops in marine lines. They became friendly with my great-grandfather.
Correct.
And they suggested to him, they said that it takes us too long to get our stuff, sports stuff from UK, from England.
So the sports stuff used to come all the way from England पहले.
England, by ship.
Ship से आता था.
Ship se aata tha. It used to take 6 months.
Wow.
So if they needed something, it took a long time. So they said, why don't you start stocking it here? We'll buy from you. That is how it all started.
That is how it started.
The history of sports.
Tell me then, अगर ये 150 साल पुराना है, तो I'm sure you must have seen a lot of our Indian cricketers.
Absolutely.
A lot of our players who are currently great stars come here when they were children. Please tell me more about that.
Cricketers, let me start with. In those days, Vijay Merchant, Vijay Hazare, Vijay Mandrekar,
Wow.
Madhav Mantri,
Wow.
Madhav Apte, all those cricketers in those days used to come and shop with us. And then the further generations, up to Sunny, Sunil Gavaskar came
Wow.
to our store. There were people like Ramakant Achrekar's students, like
Sachin Tendulkar, of course. So Tendulkar यहाँ पर आए हैं as a child.
Not यहाँ पे वो
अपने वागले वाले दूसरे वाले स्टोर. But वागले आपके स्टोर पर सचिन जी आए हैं when he was a child. Wow.
And Vinod Kamble.
विनोद कामले, सचिन तेंदुलकर.
Praveen Ambre.
वाओ. मैं आपको अपना एक किस्सा बताता हूँ. लाइक मैं एमपी से हूँ. आई स्टे इन मध्य प्रदेश. और मेरा मतलब एमपी में मंदसौर, छोटा सा गाँव. तो उस गांव में क्या ना कि हमारे नुक्कड़ पे जिसे हम गांधी चौराहा कहते हैं, वहाँ पर एक ही दुकान है स्पोर्ट्स की.
Okay.
तो एवरी डे व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गेट आउट ऑफ माय हाउस, अगर मैं भैया के साथ कुछ लेने चले गए, किराने की दुकान पे चले गए, स्कूटर पे मैं आगे खड़ा रह जाता था, तो उस दुकान के पास से जितनी बार भी गुजरते थे ना, मैं धीरे करवाता था जस्ट टू सी एक वो झलक कि वो बैट्स ऐसे लगे हुए हैं, दोस बॉल. तो मतलब दैट जॉय ऑफ अ स्पोर्ट्स शॉप इज सो डिफरेंट. एंड I can't explain to the kids and to the generation today. I think because they're really missing out on
They're
something.
really missing out.
है ना?
Really
कि you know everyone is so into their own phones and into this
TV,
and,
computer, phones.
yeah.
They don't want to go out and play.
Yeah, it is
fields.
so sad.
And it is bad for the health. I mean, you're
Absolutely.
not getting vitamin D.
Absolutely, uncle. तो अंकल अब क्या है ना, हमारे इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में हम क्या करते हैं, we play this little super over.
Okay.
सिंपल सा है. मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा. It's all going to be related to cricket. अगर आपने गलत जवाब दिए तो मैं जीता. उसमें आपको इस दुकान पे मेरा भी एक फोटो लगाना पड़ेगा कह के कि इस लड़के को क्रिकेट के बारे में मुझसे ज्यादा पता है. लेकिन अगर वो नहीं हुआ एंड आई लूज, व्हिच आई एम लाइक आई सेड वेरी हैप्पी टू लूज, you can punish me with anything that you want to. So then are we ready to play this game?
Yep.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have taken Wagle uncle's position. इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में जो सीजन बॉल से क्रिकेट खेला जाता है उसमें कितने कलर्स की सीजन बॉल्स होती है?
I choose 3.
वाओ! एक जनरल क्रिकेट सीजन लेदर बॉल में कितने स्टिचेस होते हैं?
6.
You're absolutely right, uncle. मुझे एक बॉल दीजिए. There are 6 type of stitches right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 जो हमें यूजुअली दिखते हैं, लेकिन इन दोनों के बीच में भी एक
Those are the hidden
those are the
ones.
hidden tiny ones. Those are 6 stitches in a leather ball, uncle. इंग्लैंड में जब इंडिया अभी खेल कर आई थी तो वहां पर कौन से ब्रांड के सीजन बॉल से खेला गया था?
Dukes.
Absolutely right. उन्होंने ड्यूक्स के साथ खेला था अंकल. Please name any 5 kind of guards that a batsman wears.
Leg guard, let's start from
Leg guard.
leg guard. Thigh guard.
Yes.
Then there is the abdominal guard,
Abdominal L guard.
chest guard,
Chest guard.
elbow guard.
Elbow guard.
Also gloves and so many other things.
But,
You'll wear helmet.
but you're already done with 5.
Yeah.
Absolutely right, uncle. Absolutely right. ये बैट, ये जो बैट आप देख रहे हैं, this is a different kind of a bat, ladies and gentlemen. आपको मुझे बताना है कि ये कौन से टाइप का बैट है.
It's called a mongoose bat.
You're right. It's called a
uniqueness is, you know, they avoided the shoulder
Correct.
so that you don't give an edge. Now that I've won,
You won.
my time to give you punishment. Okay?
Okay, please
I'd
bring it
like-
on, uncle. Bring it on.
Because you're
Bring
so
it on.
charged, I want to see what happens.
Gloves.
I want you to wear this.
Yes, uncle. ये मैंने पहन लिया.
Now you're going to write in this diary of mine that Wagle Sports is the first sports shop in India. लिखिए.
इसको पकड़ के लिखना है.
लिखिए.
ओके. ये उतना डिफिकल्ट. अरे यार. Oh shit. ओके रुक जा. जाओ यार. क्या है? यार ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है अंकल. अरे यार. वागले.
Sports. Oh, you're doing a pretty good job.
नहीं अंकल.
No, seriously.
स्पोर्ट्स.
As good as impossible to write this.
Sports is the shop in India.
Oh, wonderful. You managed India very well. And this is Ritwik handwriting. It's much better than my doctor's handwriting. But in the meantime, I request all of you to keep watching #RitWicket.
Oh, uncle, thank you. Thank you so much, uncle. Keep watching #RitWicket, ladies and gentlemen. A dream gives birth to a champion. Always #DreamBig.